Hello everyone, what's up? Today we're heading to Eatons Neck. I've actually never been, but guess what? It's nice out. The sky looks sick and they have a beautiful beach that I can't wait to explore. And along the way, I'll update you guys on the channel and my 2025 track day. All that said, hop on and let's go check this place out. So, I just finished level 3 of the California Superbike School on the BMW S1000RR. For those of you who don't know, this is an amazing company that provides top-tier motorcycle training, mostly for the track. They switch to the newer model every single year. How insane is that? The bike is so efficient, a kid could whip this thing around. Unfortunately, I didn't get to record anything myself, but I'm crossing my fingers that I can get some professional videos to share with all of you. I left that place knowing my skills as a rider had greatly improved, especially when it comes to cornering. I would highly recommend any new rider to check them out. From the staff to the coaches, they cater to you all day long. A huge shout out to them. They seriously nail it every time. If you're interested in hearing more about what I learned and the steps I took to increase my skills throughout the day, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to make a video on the entire program. You know, as a graduate and all. Now, a little bit more about our destination, Eatons Neck. This is another one of those hidden peninsulas on the north shore of Long Island, and it's connected by this tiny, thin strip of land called Asharoken Avenue. What makes it a bit more interesting to me is that once you get out here, it's a single road to get to the end, and it's almost purely residential. The Eatons Neck Lighthouse, I bet you've never heard of it. This thing was built in 1798. Making it one of the oldest lighthouses, not just on Long Island, but in the entire country. But get this, it's the biggest tease if you ask me. You can ride all the way out here, maybe get an incredible view from the beach, but you can't go inside or even get close. It's on an active U.S. Coast Guard base with absolutely no public access. And wait, check this out. I think the people who live in these houses on the left actually own the beach that's right in front of their property. What a view. That's the life, right? All right, let's keep riding and check out a little more of this area. How cool is that? I have the beach to myself. Actually, I think there's some people fishing over there. It's so hot out here. I'm going to make myself at home, remove my gear, and chill for a bit. I'll make sure to show the park, and I'll catch you guys on the way back. This place has definitely won me over. Can you imagine what the sunset's like here? I'll be back for sure. I met a local, Steve. He stopped by to check out the bike. Guess what? He's also a BMW owner. Very cool guy. He told me all about his trip to Alaska on his GS. Shout out to Steve. If you are watching, it was a pleasure chatting with you today. On the way here, there were a ton of cars in front of me, but I think I'll pass the mic to the engine. This ride has been epic so far. I have one more ace up my sleeve. I'll show you one of the most beautiful views you can find on this island, so stay tuned. little channel update for you guys. The channel is growing slowly but steadily, and honestly, I can't thank you enough. Because of you, I find myself exploring my own backyard a little bit more, and it's definitely been a welcome change. It really breaks the monotony of just riding to work and back. As for the future, I have some traveling coming up. I'm doing my best right now to sort out all the logistics to have a motorcycle to ride. I've never actually been on a bike overseas, so it's a little bit exciting and maybe a little bit stressful. We'll see what the future brings. But for now, let's get you guys to the view I promised earlier. How beautiful is that? It's a sick view, that's for sure. Even if I do say so myself, the pillars you guys see in the distance are known as the stacks. They are part of the Northport power station. More on them in a future video. All that time in the sun got me so dehydrated I should have packed more water. But that's okay. Northport's not far from where we are. I'll make a pit stop for some snacks and something to drink. Well, everyone, this is where we part ways for now, but I can't wait to see you guys next week. Who knows where the bike and I will venture next? I really hope you had a great time riding with me today. And seriously, Hobart Beach Park, I can't recommend it enough. It's a bit out of the way, but trust me, it's totally worth the ride. Just a heads up though, avoid coming on a weekend. Admission is $60 per car. Yeah, I know, people have officially lost the plot, but as always, thanks for watching and safe riding out there.